What's inside this bag is the best MacBook that you should buy in 2026. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma and you've heard a lot about the MacBook Neo, the new MacBook Pros. So let me unbox this and tell you what's great about this year's MacBook Air, now powered by the M5 chip. So I was in London for the launch of this MacBook Air and everyone was holding around the Neo and the Pro and the new Studio Display XDR. But no one was paying attention to the MacBook Air. Now, this is off. All right, let's open this up. I always love this feeling of opening a new Apple device. There you go. Let me open this up and it comes off like this. And this is the new MacBook Air M5. You also get this nice cable with MagSafe and you get this new 30-watt power brick which has dual ports. So you can charge your iPhone and you can also charge your MacBook with it. This MacBook packs in pro performance on a budget. Let me explain. It's got the M5 chip, which is having a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, and it's built for AI workflows. And the 16GB RAM lets you multitask with as many apps as possible. What's more is that the base storage is now 512 GBs, up from 256 GBs of last year, which means you can now store a lot more files. You don't have to worry about storage getting filled up if you're editing videos in Final Cut Pro, and you can just do things without a problem. Along with that, you also get the Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 support, all packed into this sleek machine. I mean, just look at this device. It's available in both 13 inches and 15 inches variant. This is the 15-inch one. And what you also get is the all-day battery life. While you're doing all of that, it supports up to 18 hours of video playback, which should easily give 8 to 10 hours of daily usage. If you're a student, this MacBook will start at about 1,08,900 rupees. Well, the new MacBook Air M5 is the perfect choice, and let me tell you why. So many of us do heavy workloads. You're running AI models locally. You're trying to write code and build software. You do a lot of heavy multitasking. You're browsing the internet. You're watching movies. You're gathering data using apps like Claude or ChatGPT. You're editing videos on Final Cut Pro, on DaVinci Resolve, on Premiere Pro. You're creating thumbnails and banners with Photoshop and creating designs with Figma. Or you're a freelancer and you juggle between WhatsApp and Spotify and managing social media accounts. You end up using Notion a lot. You use AI tools a lot. Well, this machine can help you do all of that without a hiccup. Along with that, I've also unboxed the Studio Display XDR. Wow, I love how well it has been packed. The packaging itself deserves an applause. Look at that. Ooh. And this is the display. Just look at how good this looks. Just look at this display. You get mini LED on a display that's 27 inches, and you also get Pro Motion 120Hz refresh rate, which means you get truer blacks and every color is as accurate as it can be. And you can also adjust the sides like this. You can adjust it like that. You can make it go up, make it go down. And this is it, the newest Apple Studio Display XDR. And connected to this MacBook Air is the new Studio Display XDR. And just look at the colors on this display. Now just observe these colors. They just look amazing. Like the reds, the blacks, every shade, every white and black just looks so much cleaner. I think this is the best display I've ever seen. I think you really have to try it in person to actually value how good everything looks on this. So this is what a mini LED screen looks like. Well, that is my new setup, the MacBook Air along with the Studio Display XDR. What do you think about it? Well, the new Apple Studio Display XDR starts at 4 lakh rupees in India, and that was my ultimate review. Should you get this MacBook Air? I think you should absolutely give it a try if you're someone who has a lot of workflows and you do heavy multitasking and you need a machine that can handle those workloads. The MacBook Air M5 has got it all for you and more. That's all from me today, and I'll see you all in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions below. See you in the next one.